Hey everyone, Ramel again, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of the Joby 3K GorillaPod, as well as this Neweer Ballhead that I got off of Amazon. The reason I got the Joby and this Ballhead thing was because right now my setup looks something like this. And it's a little bit hard. Using the Joby, I can just put it on my desk without having a tripod. My tripod's a little bit too big for that. There it goes. It's a pretty simple box, and just open it and you have the tripod. A lot of people have already reviewed this, but it's pretty flexible and you can put it any way that you want, and it's going to make it easy to mount it behind my monitor arms. So you just put it like that and the camera is going to be looking down. When I was looking at it, the ball head that came with it didn't look that good, so I figured might as well pick up this newer one. It was roughly around the same price, around $30. We'll see how it is. Again, it's pretty simple. Same color, black and red. And that's pretty much it. And you can mount it in here somehow. Okay, I see. This comes with a smaller thread size. You gotta take this little thing off before you can attach it into the Joby, but after you do that, it fits. And this is how everything looks together. It's a little small, so I might have to get the 5K. I'll switch to my Pixel, show you guys how it looks with my camera and everything as well. That's how everything looks together. That's kind of where I want it, so it's easy to do the face recordings, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it for the unboxing video. Thanks again for watching. I'll probably do a more thorough review once I have more use with the setup that I have right now, but I'm using it to film this part, and so far it's a lot better than my previous setup. And yeah, if you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and that's all for me this week. Peace!